All right, guys, welcome back to the show. All right, today is part 3. I showed you the first part, which is right here. We have our wet here and we have our dry here, and then the dough. Part 2, I showed you how to cook it, and we cooked it on our pit boss smoker. Already, these are done, and but they're today. I'm going to show you how to make the perfect cheesesteak. Come on with me, show you how to do it. So we have our Blackstone flat top heating up. I have some oil here. Go ahead and open the oil thing up first. Get the oil on there. I have here 2 Vidalia onions I've already sliced. Just drop them right on there. You want to cook these onions down a little bit. Get them all nice and happy. Listen to the birds in the background sing while you're cooking. Now here I have salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and a little bit of smoked paprika. Got to season our onions up a little bit. And put them over here to the side. Like I said, just let them hang out, get nice and soft and happy. Now the key to a perfect cheesesteak, in my opinion, is the perfect slice of meat. And I went ahead and sliced up a prime rib boneless roast, and I made it paper thin. And that, to me, folks, is the best way to make a cheesesteak hoagie. Slap that right on there. Grab your seasoning, season that up. Get a little bit of Earl on there. And just let it run. Just like that. Don't touch it. Don't do anything with it. Let it cook for about 2 minutes, just like that. And then you go ahead and chop it up, and we'll show you what we do next. Start seeing a little bit of brown. You go ahead and start, oh yeah, just like that. And just start breaking it up. That fat inside there, that fat's going to break down, and this steak is going to be so tender and so juicy. It's going to be exceptional. And whatever you do, don't be afraid to move your steak around a little bit from side to side, from burner to burner. It just helps everything cook faster and a little bit more evener. All right, what we want to do now is, when we're got about right here where it's almost completely cooked, take those onions that we had sitting over here, drop them right on in. Get those onions right on in there. Let them get into the party now. We want to get our bread ready, and then we're going to portion them out for each bread. While our steaks are chilling and cooking there, look at these rolls. Are they not the most extraordinary looking steak rolls you have ever seen? Huh. Fluffy, delicious. Oh yeah. We'll make some delicious steak sandwiches, cheesesteak sandwiches. Now, of course, you can turn these into hoagies. A little bit of lettuce, a little bit of tomato, a little bit of mayonnaise. We're not going to do that. We're just going to make some good old-fashioned cheesesteaks with some homemade hoagie rolls. All right, these rolls are cut. Let's put this thing together. All right, first thing we're going to do is we're going to take all of our meat here. We're going to slide it over to the hot side, and you want to portion these out. My cheese of choice is provolone cheese. Whenever I'm making and ordering a cheesesteak, I want provolone cheese. And the nice part about it is you can put as much or as little as you want on there. We're going to go with 3 slices each. But of course, Mom, she has to be different. She doesn't want provolone on hers. She wants American. You know, you got to make Mom happy. So here's our American cheese for her. You want to let them sit and marinate a little bit on low so that cheese melts, and then put them on the rolls. Back in a minute. The cheese has melted. Oh, look at that. Perfect. Okay. Now, guys, when you're putting these on there, got that long spatula, go from the inside and just slide it underneath there and go like that. Just like that. Real quick little think. And just drop that steak right on there. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at the love. Look at the love. Oh, guys, is that not a steak to fall in love with? And that roll? Oh, dude, homemade rolls. Moment of truth. Oh, these look so good. You know what? I'm sorry, but I gotta come close. I gotta show you this, guys. Look at that provolone cheese. Oh, God, this is so good. Cheers, everyone. Oh, yeah. Making everything on your own from scratch with the hoagie rolls, there's nothing better. The taste is just phenomenal. So next time, as always, God bless and happy eats.